Welcome to Cut Our Table, Greatest Hit. Today we're featuring a recipe from Tori Miller.
Oh man, I'm really tempted to use some of these Doritos.
Are you trying to show your skills here or what?
Well, I'm trying to show how much I love Doritos.
Dorito and Panko crusted. He did lake trout. I had to go with halibut. We want the salt to draw the water out of the skin so we can get it nice and crispy. I've got egg that I've beaten. I've got Panko breadcrumbs, so we're gonna make a flour.
Oh, word. Keep it 100. Lowry's up in here, dude.
And we'll get just a little bit of flour in here. Little Lowry's. Some smoked paprika, and then I'm gonna smash up these chips into the Panko. So I wanna sear this so it has nice crispy skin, and the skin's gonna be really pretty too, so I don't wanna bread that side. I'm gonna bread the other side. Now, unlike Tori, I do like to bread like an animal.
So I'm just gonna do the flesh side of this. We always say don't bread like an animal in our kitchens. I don't know where that came from, but it's like you can very easily start to like get the flour fingers, and then all of a sudden everything's sticking and it's more like overtaking the fish.
My animal of choice is either an octopus or a kangaroo, because I like those animals. Assuming our oil's hot, which it should be by now. Fish is going into the pan. You want to make sure you do it away from yourself so you don't splash yourself with hot oil. And we're going to let those go just until that breading is nice and brown. The Square Wine Company has provided us with a beautiful wine for today's pairing, and it's a sparkling rosé. Got rid of a little bit of the oil. I'm going to throw in a little bit of butter. I'm going to let that melt down, and then skin side down. Now the skin on halibut's very thin. We're going to let it seizes up like this. We're going to let it do that for just a moment. I'm going to take my spatula and just give them a very gentle press. And we're just going to let this fish sear like this until that skin is done. All right. A special thanks to Metcalf's and the Square Wine Company. Stay tuned for our new show. Starting next month, I'm going to get my hands dirty showing you where things like this come from, how we get them, and how they end up on your plate. Until then, enjoy this teaser, and we'll see you on the next one.
So we're just testing you guys out to see if you have what it takes. Okay, they can get up early. Check, you're checking off boxes.
Yeah, the getting up early part, that's a lot of respect for that, I gotta say. 3:30 in the morning is not a normal chef time to wake up.
I don't like to get up early, but you're just tired. You're just like, why did I choose this life? Why did I choose this life?
So there's a lot of similarities between chefs and fishermen, I guess.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, right.
How about to a long and successful day?
A long and successful day. Was today the day that we started at 3 a.m.?
Yeah.
Is that today?
That was the
Crazy.